Hello, I'm Tom Bailey, English teacher at Northside High School. I'm going to give a brief tutorial on how to use Kami app's comments features and kind of explain the differences between the different comments. First and foremost, comments are really handy when you are collaborating with adults and sometimes having students collaborate in their assignments. But the basic way that you can do a comment is to click and then select the text that you're going to comment on. And as soon as you lift your cursor over here to the right, and I'm going to have to scroll over to do it, nonetheless, there should be a dialog box that is asking for your comment. So I'm going to actually move that right there. And then you get to type your response. And one of the problems with this, and I'm actually going to shrink it down, is now you can actually see that I was typing my response right here. This is a note, and you can reply to other people's notes in Kami. The other part of this then is you can delete the note if you want to get rid of it. But there's other types of notes that you can do. If you click voice comment, it will immediately start recording your voice. Like there's no warning that it's recording. It's just going to start recording your voice. And it'll put a dialog box that looks eerily like this dialog box, except for it will have your audio stuff there. Similarly then is if you insert a video comment, it will immediately open up your webcam and start recording you and your voice talking into it. There's another thing called screen capture that you can do, but you can only do this if you have the Chrome extension for Kami app added. Up here in the upper right-hand corner, I'm hovering over that particular extension. You have to have that installed in your browser before you can even attempt to do the screen capture. And even then, sometimes it doesn't work, and that's kind of been hit or miss. I actually got it to work earlier today. You can also change the color of the comments, etc., and you have the same color scheme and palette as you did for the markup function. But what makes this different is that it always moves the notes outside of the text that you're working with, and it allows anybody else who's collaborating on the document to see it. So that's the basic premise behind leaving a text comment, voice comment, a video comment, or a screen capture comment.